Hey guys, Nick here from Rustic Deco Incorporated, and today we're going to be looking at a couple of the features of our Frederick dining base. The two main features of the Frederick dining base are these locking bolts located here. The base will ship with these locked in. Simply back these out to adjust the table, which is done with the cogwheel here. Once you've reached your desired height, these locking bolts can be screwed back in to secure the tea from any movement. There's another set of these bolts located at the other end of the table as well. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, just give us a call at 865-357-3876 or shoot us an email at customer.care@rusticdeco.com.